Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Happy Sangvi. Today, as you can see from my clothes, can you guess who I am? That's right, today's the episode 1 of The Little Chef. Today we will be making 4 recipes with fruits, veggies, and all of healthy stuff and a little bits of treats. Well, as you can see, I have all of these ingredients like bibbidi bobbidi boo! So, the first recipe we will be doing is a super cute Grinch kebabs. So, as you can see, this is so cute. That's the Grinch's face and that's the Christmas hat. This is a super simple recipe you can do. And these are the ingredients. Strawberry and grapes. Make sure the strawberries, either they're whole strawberries or sliced. Make sure they're triangle shaped for this little hat right there. And we need some marshmallows and bananas and a few toothpicks. So what we do is we just take a grape and we just stack it in the end of the toothpick. We just stack it in the end of the toothpick. Then we add a banana from the up. Then we take one of our strawberries, which should be nice and triangle shaped, and then just plop it in right there. And then for the final touch, at the top of the Christmas hat, we just plop it in right there. And here we have the beautiful and really tasty Grinch kebabs. Now that we finished our beautiful Grinch kebabs, we will be making Nutella and strawberry sandwiches. I'm using this Nutella with hazelnut in it. But if you have any allergies or you just don't want it with hazelnut, you can choose normal Nutella or any Nutella you want. So, you just take this Nutella, open that big boy up. I'm just gonna leave that there. And now I'm using whole wheat bread because it's nice and healthy and it's with whole wheat, which is good for you. But you can also use any kind of bread too. But I'm using this one. So just grab a spoonful right there and just spread. Just keep on spreading till it's nice and all in. Nice, and it should be in. Just keep on doing it. More Nutella, and it's really going to be yummy. So I would totally recommend this if you're really hungry and you want something really delicious. And there's our Nutella and strawberry sandwich. But oh no, we forgot the most important part. That's right, our strawberries. I have 3 full sliced strawberries. And I'm going to place them like this. And then you just put them there. And here I'm going to take a big bite. That is really tasty. Now that we finished our beautiful Nutella and strawberry sandwich, now we will be making a banana, blueberry, and yummy chocolate sundae. So what you're gonna do first is just take a bunch of bananas and pour it into a bowl, or as I have, this little beautiful thing. And now I take my blueberries and pour it in too. Then I just take this yummy Hershey syrup and I just add a lot of chocolate, but not too much. And that's perfect. And now, if you want, you can add ready whipped cream. But if you don't want, you don't need to. Just shake it and then just Give it a big scoop. And that's perfect. And that is how it looks. Nice and yummy. Now that we ate a couple of good and healthy snacks, we will be eating a little treat. Here I have some hot caramel and a few marshmallows and Hershey's syrup. Now I'm going to take a toothpick and just grab a marshmallow right in there, dip it in hot caramel, or you could either try it in Hershey's syrup, but I'm gonna try this. It tastes really good. Now that you know how to make these easy and quick snacks, you can make them by yourself, and I hope you enjoy eating them and hope you like them. And now please smash that like button, subscribe down below, and share with all your friends. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.